There are a few questions in IELTS reading module that are not as difficult as they look. Following a step-by-step strategy that I will explain in this video will certainly help you in getting all the correct answers. Today, we are going to discuss the easy strategy to solve IELTS reading flowchart completion task. Hi everyone, this is Yesha with IELTSmaterial.com, helping my students achieve their dreams with a higher band score in the IELTS examination. So without wasting any time, let's understand the easy strategy. What is a flowchart completion task? This is a task where you are asked to write the answers according to the number of words given following a sequence or process. This task requires all the skills to be used, that is skimming, scanning and paraphrasing, where scanning is going to be the major task. A few things to be kept in mind before learning the step-by-step strategy. Number one, the question task may not be in the same form as the structure of the flowchart varies. This type of question may be represented in several different ways. Number two, try to predict the type of word required in the blank. Example, noun, verb, adverb and adjective. This will help you to find the answers quickly. Number three, take the answers from the passage or the text. Do not use your background knowledge or any other synonyms as answers. Finally, number four, ensure that the sentences make sense grammatically. If they do not fit appropriately, then the answer is wrong. Thank you for watching it till here. If you want to learn more tips and strategies for IELTS, then check out the description below and book a free demo class today. Now, let us learn the strategy. It is the basic 5-step strategy which is very easy to be understood. Number one, read the instructions carefully to understand the number of words to be written as the answer. Number two, look at the structure of the flowchart to find the clues and to predict the answer. Number three, read the sentences or phrases to find the type of word required in each blank. Number four, the blanks will follow a chronological order and underline the words before and after the blanks. Finally, find the answers by scanning and writing according to the number of words. Now here is your question task. If you see there is a very small passage and you only have to answer 3 questions here related to the flowchart given. The instruction says that you have to write no more than 2 words. That means you can write 1 word or you can write 2 words. Read the main heading that is given in the flowchart. It says how a caloric restriction mimetic works. Here, if you see, this follows a process. Number one, which is the second part, and there are 2 theories explained, theory 1 and theory 2. Talking about these different aspects, these work as keywords which will help you to locate the answers or at least try to find the location of the answers respectively. Find theory 1 and theory 2 which will help you get the answers for the second one and for the third one. And before theory 1 or theory 2, you will definitely find the first one. Now, I am going to give you some time to get the answers. Please underline the keywords before and after the blank. These will be paraphrased and it will definitely help you get the answers very quickly. Now here are the answers. Number 1, which is glucose. If I read the whole statement, it says less glucose is processed. Just go to the second paragraph, 6th line, which says caloric restriction minimizes the amount of glucose. Minimizes, that means less glucose is processed. And the next step is very clearly mentioned, which says decreases ATP generation. That means we have got the correct answer. Now coming to theory 1. The question is cells less damaged by disease because fewer dash are emitted. Fewer free radicals. Now if you just go to the passage, I have clearly mentioned one possibility relates to the ATP making machineries. That means theory 1, where it is very clearly mentioned emission of free radicals. That means fewer free radicals are emitted. In the passage, it is given in the active voice, wherein in the answer or the question, it is given in the passive voice. The correct answer is free radicals. Now coming to the third question, which is theory 2, and the question is cells focus on dash because food is in short supply. The answer is preservation. Focus on, emphasizes can be taken as keywords or the paraphrased words. Here if you see the passage, the last 5th line, which talks about another hypothesis, that is theory 2. And the last line very clearly says that food is scarce, that means food is in short supply, and it is important to focus on preservation. That means emphasizes preservation. And that is why we take the answer as preservation. You must have seen that here skimming, that is quick reading, is done. Scanning, that is we have searched for the specific information, and we have also utilized the skill of paraphrasing. For example, less means minimizes. Emission is taken as emitted, as well as focus on is taken as emphasizes. We have used all the 3 skills, that is skimming, scanning and paraphrasing. Always remember to solve and practice easy questions first, and flowchart completion is one of the easiest questions that can definitely help you to enhance your overall reading band score. Hence, practice these questions to get a band 8 in your IELTS reading examination. Stay with us for more IELTS learning, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe IELTS Material YouTube channel. Keep learning and stay updated with IELTSmaterial.com. Bye-bye.